Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. We are in January 2025 and I got one of my seed orders in the mail here. Now we are still working on the heirloom project where we're saving the seeds from the heirloom varieties, but we just wanted to make sure that we had enough to be able to plant. So we kind of got a late start on the seed saving part, and we just wanted to make sure that we had enough. So we got the dragon tongue beans. These are delicious. They are very tender. They work great for canning. They do lose their purple colors when you can them, but these are absolutely delicious. And one of our favorite ones, we tried these last year and we did keep them. This one here, this is the beans golden butter wax. This is going to be brand new for us. And this one here has been around since 1876. It's excellent for freezing and canning. So we wanted to go ahead and give this one here a try and see how well this one would do for us. The blue bush lake, this is our favorite variety of green beans to grow. And we've been growing this for years. It's great for canning. You can freeze them. And it's great for cooking. These here are very productive. And we get a lot of beans off of these. So this one here is a must grow for our garden. And then as a free gift, they gave us the Danvers half-blown carrots. And we like these. This is a good variety here. And we got 3 packs of the Blue Lakes. We eat a lot of green beans. And these here, these are all heirlooms. So we can collect the seeds from all of these different varieties. And I do have more seed orders coming. So we're going to be trying some new stuff out this year. This one's, like I said, this one's going to be brand new. And this one here, we really loved it last year, so we went ahead and got this one again. And this one here is a really good variety if you're looking for a really great green bean. The Bush Lake Blue is our absolute favorite. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button to tell you as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.